Morna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Not long ago, Evelina from Evergreen Arts sent me a Happy Meal, and everything in it was absolutely wonderful. But inside that was this amazing little crochet doll. I love the sound of the beads. I love the sound of the beads. Was sent to me from Louisa. Look at this. This little outfit is removable. Look at those little red panties. And I love the strawberry button on this little dress. This was a lot of work. Look at this. That is, if you can't see it through the screen, this is a strawberry cut out of felt, and then she used embroidery thread. How cute. The details, the time this took. I love this doll. Louisa recently contacted me and asked me if she could send me a Happy Meal. Yes, indeed. And she even asked me, what would I like in it? Not only that, as she didn't show me all the pictures, but she showed me some of the pictures. She crochets so quickly, so beautifully. I am in awe. I am just in awe. I cannot wait to see what's in this box. I had to wait a few days. Darren and I have an awful lot going on in our lives right now, and Darren is still working 12 to 18 hours a day, 7 days a week. Oh, wow. Look at this. Everything is wrapped. I love that. This one says, for you. Let's look at her card. Let's get a close-up of that card. She is on Etsy, Instagram, and Facebook. And if you will stop the video, you can get those addresses right off of there. We will also be putting this inside our description. This one says for you. This one says for you. This one says for you. Wow, this one says for you. And this one says giveaway. We are going to be giving this away. Actually, I am only carrying it at the doll show in St. Louis, Missouri for the people who attend that have a YouTube channel. And it's only 11 weeks away. August is coming quickly. She did tell me to go ahead and open it so we could show what it looks like. I'm going to set this one here. Oh my! Oh my! For you. It's a little crocheted outfit. Oh, Louisa, I love your dolls. I love her. And now she has clothing. Oh, wow, this is... Louisa, if you crochet, you can see the workmanship in Louisa's work. It's gorgeous. And she's so quick. And let's see what we have here. This one is for the show. I'm going to open it up because she did say I could show those. And let me do this gently. Y'all know I'm not gentle. I was going to show this first, but let's wait on it. There are, and this is really cool, there are extra business cards in here. So everybody that comes to the doll show will get one of Louisa's business cards, and you can go look and see her work online. All right. I love how she does this. The paper is always reusable. She's good to the environment like that. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Look at the cornrows. Oh. Look at the beads. Don't you just love that? I said before when I opened this one, I went to school with girls that wore their hair like this, and when they walked or moved their head, a lot of them talked. You know how you move your head when you talk? I tend to do that. You'd hear those beads. Oh. And look at this. Look at this. I'll bet you that this girl, I want to be really careful with this button, although I have to say it is really on here well. This little girl, although I love this dress, that is so cute. Here she is with her little yellow panties and yellow shoes. And this outfit will go on her too. I want to point a couple things out. These dolls, I crochet. I used to make toys and other items when my kids were little. And first of all, these are not inexpensive, the beads. And the buttons that Louisa uses are not on the cheap end of buttons. I'm not so sure that these aren't vintage. Now, I don't know that for a fact, but they also have that, I don't know if you can see it, they have that look of mother of pearl. I love that. Isn't this cute, this little outfit? She is incredible, and yarns and stuffings are not cheap anymore. I mean, it is not inexpensive. This button too. These are not inexpensive notions that Louisa used. Okay, I'm excited. It's like Christmas. Open this one. I am just ecstatic over these little dolls. Oh, look at this little bug. Oh, how cute is this girl? Look at the bows in her hair. Look at her little buns. That is made to look like braided hair made into a bun. Again, a really nice button. This dress is separate from the doll, could be changed. The work that went into the ladybug, she didn't just stick a ladybug on there. She put white behind that, so to give that ladybug a pop. And the beads, oh, the beads and the bows. Look at the bows. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Got squished in the package. Oh, Louise, your work is absolutely, oh gosh, that's so cute. She needs to be between them. How cute is that for you? Woohoo! I have a whole collection of Louise dolls. Oh, and I can't tell you how happy I am about it. These dolls, oh, the beads. So cute, so well made. And something, oh God, this is gorgeous. Something that doll collectors should have in their collection is a variety of dolls. And these little crocheted dolls made this well. Again, separate outfit that you could change out. I believe Louisa also sells the outfits. Look at the matching beads. Look at the little bows again. Oh, this is so stinking cute. I am in love with these dolls. Seriously though, what I started to say is, if you're a serious doll collector or if you just like dolls, these are fun to have in your collection. You know what else these are good for? Children. You'd have to ask Louisa about the beads and the buttons, but I'm a mom and I did not say this. Those go right through. I didn't say that. This one is also for me. Louisa, I am overwhelmed at your generosity, and I sincerely mean that. I know the hours that you have in these dolls. You must not sleep. Wait till you see this. I love a ginger. I absolutely love red hair. Look at these curls. Oh my goodness. Look again at the little bee Again, with the backing to make it pop. The little dress, again, is separate. Look at this bow. Look at this button. It is a tiny bee. She does not go to the low-end aisle when she buys her notions. This is really nice yarn too. Oh gosh, look at these curls. You know what? She really went the extra mile on these. She did not just make the curlicues. These are secured down. And you cannot see, get a close-up on that, Darren. You cannot see a single stitch of how she secured that. That's incredible. Just the workmanship is unreal. I'm very excited to be getting to meet some of the Dolly YouTubers. I am going to save that and wrap it right back up at the St. Louis Doll Show, July 31st through August 3rd? 4th, 3rd. It's 4 days. And this is going to be a giveaway there. And this is from Louisa, not me. Oh. And it's in July. And what color does she have on? Look at these shells in her beads. Oh, look at these braids. And again, expensive buttons. Louisa, you are amazing. Louisa Knits and Knacks. Oh, that's cute. Knickknacks. That's adorable. This dress is removable. And, oh, I can't get over that hair. Look at the little stars for holding her little pigtails. Oh, and again, 3 layers, so perfectly cut for the star on the front of her little outfit. Oh my goodness. And this, I bet, fits this doll. Oh gosh, how cute is that? I am not going to redress this doll. This is perfectly stuffed. That's the other thing I wanted to mention. She didn't just stick a little stuffing in there. These are going to last. If a child played with these, they would not be squished and worn out in a short time. She went all out with these. These are, oh, the workmanship is absolutely gorgeous. Again, this one is a giveaway, not from me, from Louisa. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Go visit Louisa's sites and take a look at her dolls. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.